So Luna is patiently waiting for her breakfast, and I'm gonna be giving it to her right now. And here she's following me. She's like, "Oh my gosh, it's breakfast, it's food. Pumin, please give it to me." Okay, Luna, sit, stay. So before she eats, I usually have her do some tricks. Stay, lie down, roll over. Oh, oops. Oh. Oh, you're so silly. Okay, I know you're hungry. Go for it. It's funny because in the previous video, I was mentioning that she was protect fridge. So she was in the hopes of getting some chimkin. So she's actually getting her chimkin right now. You're doing such a good job. Isn't that right, Luna? Happy eatings.